The recent news about cryptocurrency, digital asset if you like, is very positive. Consequently, the likes of Bitcoin may soon become globally accepted digital legal tender earlier than expected. I know you are curious and want to hear about this development. Then stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. Time to subscribe. You see, as fiat money starts to lose its ability to function effectively in the global economy, the need for a more reliable and secure currency becomes very necessary, more so to enhance the growth of global economy. And then given all the secure attributes of Bitcoin, more so because it is embedded in blockchain technology, you will agree with me that Bitcoin, at least for now, is the best alternative. Why? Because Bitcoin cannot be manipulated like fiat money, and then it is secured and reliable. Please check my video titled Bitcoin Accidental Money for more attributes of this asset class. You will see it at the end of this clip. That said, you see, Bitcoin has created an unprecedented digital awareness amongst people all over the world. And because of this development, it is now changing global economy. And then some countries like US have decided to initiate a scheme to tap and integrate this valuable asset as a potential digital legal tender. Do you want to ask me what it means? Then stay with me. You see, in the recent interview with CNBC, Brian Brooks, the acting controller of the US currency, stated and then believes that banks can and should be able to connect with blockchain networks to function effectively. Then he emphasized that clarity is needed to achieve this goal. Okay, perhaps you would like to know the implication of this proposal. Well, according to Brian, the strategy will enable and make it easier for cryptocurrencies investors to understand how to invest and for more institutions to adopt the currency as a means of exchange. Above all, the US Treasury is also looking into how to integrate or develop the network behind Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to avoid money laundering, terrorism, and to maintain balance. Well, given all this development, you will agree with me that cryptocurrencies, the likes of Bitcoin, will soon become a globally accepted digital currency. And again, in my opinion, if this strategy works, the US strategy, other nations will soon allow and adopt the usage of Bitcoin as a means of, as a means to transact business across the globe. Okay, the big question: how do you benefit from all this as an investor? Well, in my opinion, I will have some Bitcoin in my portfolio and watch as events unfold, and then I will go the route of dollar cost averaging. Please do your research. Okay, here comes the best part. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.